The sun's down and our day at Epic Universe has come to an end. We are ready to crash. Join us as we check in to Universal Terra Luna. Good morning, friends and travelers. It's Lisa with Someday Soon Travel. Last night we checked into Universal Terra Luna Resort. Right now I'm standing at the front entrance, and behind me you'll see its sister property, Stella Nova, as well as the bus transportation taking you to the Universal parks. We're going to go inside and we're going to take a tour. Now, wait for the end of the video. I did film a room tour as we checked in last night, so that will be at the end of the video. Come along, let's go check it out. As we head inside, you're going to immediately see luggage storage as well as your front desk. That's on the right. On the left, you have the Vacation Planning Center, an entrance to the Universal Studios store, as well as a multitude of seating. Now let's head off to the left first. I'll give you a tour of that part of the hotel, and then we'll come back and go to the right. Just behind the center area, we do have the Luna Bar, a place to unwind, relax, hang out with your family and friends, and enjoy a drink if you'd like. They do have 3 TVs overhead, so I'm sure you can catch those games that you've been wanting to watch. And here we have the second entrance into the Universal Studios store. We'll walk inside real quick and I'll show you a quick look around. It's not very big, but it has a lot of the core merchandise that you're going to see throughout the park. So you'll be able to stock up and be all ready to head inside Epic Universe, Universal Studios, or Islands of Adventure. Oh, look, we do have our Epic Universe merchandise. Ministry of Magic. Oh, I love this. This is cute. All right. So that's just a quick look around. Let's head back out. Oh, Dark Universe, I have to tell you, I rode Monsters Unchained yesterday and it was amazing. Probably one of my favorite rides I have ever been on. All right, so we've reached our elevator bay, but if we continue past that, we're going to come to the fitness center and the arcade. There's also an activities room, so let's go check that out. So here's the game room. Hours are 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Let's take a quick look. We've got an assortment of games, including our family favorite air hockey, of course, Mario Kart, as well as a hoops shoot-off and a Jurassic Park attraction. Looks like across the way we have a rec center. Looks like they're having a meeting in there right now. So I'm assuming that might be the activities area they were talking about. And here's our fitness center. Hours are 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. We've got a good assortment of free weights. There's plenty of space here. For those of you who like to lift, you've got an area to do that. You've got women's and men's locker rooms. Oh, and this is great. It's got a view of the pool. Got a wall here with kettlebells, rollers, stair climber. Look at that pool view. If you're going to work on a vacation, you might as well have a good view to do it, right? This is great. All right, it definitely will get the job done. As we pass the Luna Bar, it will lead us to the Omega Cafe and Market. This is where you're going to come for your light bites. Please note on the wall over here, you do have a digital board that shows you the weather. You can scan for theme park hours. There's all sorts of information you can find there. I believe this is our car rental facility here. So if you need to rent a car, you've got that on site. And then we have restrooms up ahead on the right. And then that leads us into the market area. I'll just give you a quick tour of what they offer. I'm sorry, you guys, I am tired. It has been a busy couple of days, but it was a lot of fun attending the technical preview, and we got to experience so much of the park, but there's still so much more for us to experience, and we can't wait to come back again. Okay, so we've got our refillable souvenir mug. Gives you the pricing. 1 to 3 days is $19, 4 to 7 days, $25, and 8 days plus is $30. And of course, it gives you a souvenir of your resort to take home. Looks like we might have gelato or ice cream throughout the day. Good morning, how are you? Okay. All right, so let's head off to the right. Oh, here we've got the market hours. Opens at 6 a.m., closes at 11 p.m., so that's great. You get something to eat after you come back from the parks. We have plenty of seating. And then the order pickup and the freestyle soda machines are over here at the end. Okay, we have additional seating outdoors, including a fire pit. It is nice and sunny today. Our pool is just ahead. We're going to go there in a second. We'll just walk along this patio area. We have more seating options. Handicap access to the pool is down here. We'll enter that way. And I absolutely love the tiles that are on these resorts. They are just gorgeous. At different times of the day, it will reflect different lighting, and the colors change. Okay, here is our access for those who have accessibility needs. Speaking of which, we were in Epic Universe yesterday, and I was impressed to see that they have 5 service animal relief areas. For those of you who may not know, I raised 5 service and guide dog puppies. My last dog is currently a working guide dog, and she's living her best life with her partner, and they even go cruising. So as you see, we've got a look at the pool. No one's in it today. It is a moon shape with a section of it cut out, bit out, I guess you could say. And it looks like we've got a spa or hot tub over there. We have plenty of seating. There are lifeguards on duty. They also have life vests available. And in the back here, you're going to find an assortment of lawn games. It looks like we've got some hula hoops. Let's go check it out. Now there is a beach area back here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's walk over there. And they've got lights strung up. So I'm assuming at night this is all lit up, which is great. Gives you a place to come and let the kids play, unwind. We've got ping pong down here. Cornhole, Giant Connect 4. Oh, and I see Giant Jenga. I would say that's probably more of a medium Jenga. But here's our cornhole, our Connect 4, and our Jenga at the table. And here's another look at the beach area, complete with ping pong table. All right, we'll head back this way. So Epic Universe does officially open on May 22nd. They are currently in technical previews, and you can actually go to the technical previews yourself now. You don't need to stay at a hotel, and you don't need to have a season pass. Although if you do either of those things, of course, you too will get into the technical preview. The pricing for that does seem to vary by day. Okay, so we've got our hula hoops here. I'm really impressed with the amount of seating that they've got. And lots of umbrellas, which is great because the Florida sun can be very strong. Even yesterday was April 30th. Here, we've got to look at the pool rules. And it was quite sunny. I actually got a little sunburnt myself, and you would think I know better. Hi there. Here's our life vests. And in the back here, we have more cornhole, Connect 4, Jenga, and ping pong again. We're going to head towards the Moonrise Bar. It might actually be more than the Moonrise Bar. Nope, I think it's called the Moonrise Bar. It's a great covered seating area. Again, you can come have a drink. Looks like we've got some freestyle soda machines, restrooms. Hi there. Good. You're not too busy right now.
You know what? I'm scaring people away or something.
Oh, no, I'm sure you're not.
No,
They'll be here.
they definitely will. Once they hear how good it is outside right now, they'll definitely start rolling.
Yes, you're competing with Epic. That's kind of a hard competition. Yes. Have a good one. Okay. And then over here we have the Moonrise Grill order pickup. So that's right here. It is got a little bit of shade at this time of the day. That may fluctuate though as the day goes on. And then from here you can actually access back into the market area. All right, we have made it almost completely around the pool. Check-in was quick and easy. The staff here was so friendly and welcoming. And now we're headed off to our room to get a good night's sleep. But first, we're going to give you a room tour. Okay, friends, we are in room 7093 here at Terra Luna. Right now, we're standing in the foyer, and as you can see, we have a full-length mirror directly ahead of us. And then opposite of that, we do have these closets. Let's open them up and we'll take a peek inside. Actually, really quite spacious. We've got a safe, extra bedding. Looks like they've got some storage up top, ironing board, and your luggage rack. It's actually very roomy. We'll close those up. Right next to it, we do have the thermostat, but we will stop here in the bathroom. We've got this interesting partition here. It's kind of see-through. There's a curtain on the other side. I'm not sure how I feel about that. It doesn't create a lot of privacy, unlike Helios with their double door system that they've got. All right, so we've got the vanity area here. Not much storage in that vanity. Mirror up top. And then we come here into the bathroom. We have a standard door versus the pocket door that we see over at Helios. We do have a standing shower. It's a nice light blue color. All right, let's head into the bedroom. It is nighttime. We just spent the day at Epic Universe and we're ready to go to bed. But I wanted to give you a quick room tour. I love the planetary pattern overhead. Sorry guys, I'm tired. So it looks like we have a refrigerator right here. Let's take a peek at that. Yes, we do. It feels fairly cold. We have a coffee machine, an ice bucket on top. Next to that, we have a small dresser, our telephone, and the important information that we need to know about staying here at Terra Luna. Our TV is overhead. And then we do have the sofa area with a little end table. As you can see, we have 2 queen-size beds. That's standard here at Terra Luna, just like it is at Stella Nova. Let's take a peek out the window. I love the windows. It's got this spaceship-style window. It's a lot of fun. And we actually have a pretty great view. We've got a view of the pool down below. You can see the Orlando Eye off in the distance. That's very nice. Very nice. All right, well, we are here just for the one night. And tomorrow, when I'm feeling rested, I'll give you a tour of the hotel. All right, friends, that brings us to the end. If I can help you book your vacation, please feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information is located in the description. I look forward to hearing from you, and I can't wait to help you plan your next vacation.